Hey everyone, it's R-Jay Rockwell and welcome back to the Rockwell Bar. Today we're making something fresh and full of flavor, the Mojito. Just kidding, but let's be honest, summer isn't just complete without a mojito in your hands. The mojito comes from Cuba. Legends say it was first called El Drake, named after a man called Sir Francis Drake. He visited Cuba and made a similar drink using lime, mint and a rough early version of rum called aguardiente, which I believe is Spanish for your throat's gonna feel this. Let's just say it had way more bite than your average rum today. But hey, back in the 1500s, hydration came with consequences. Luckily over time the drink changed and became the mojito as we know today. So let's take a look what you need for a delicious mojito. First, white rum, some soda water, and some nice and fresh mint. They don't go fresher than this because I picked them out of my own garden. A lime, or actually half of it, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and as always some ice. Now let's build this beauty. Take a fresh lime, cut it in half and divide it in 4 wedges. Drop those into your glass and gently muddle them. Don't go too hard. If you press too much, the lime skin can release bitterness, and nobody wants a mojito with attitude. Now, grab some fresh mint leaves and pick about 5 to 6 leaves. And then give them a nice tap to release the oils. Toss those leaves into the glass and then add some ice and 2 spoons of sugar. Now pour in 50 ml of white rum. That's about 1.7 ounces. And pour it into the glass. Then top it off with soda water. And now give it a good stir to mix it together. And then crown it with some crushed ice. And for the finishing touch, garnish it with a sprig of mint. And if you like, a wedge of lemon for that extra pop. Boom, and that's your Mojito Rockwell style. Fresh, minty and ready for summer. Ooh, oh, very nice. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cocktails and ring that bell like it's the last call at the bar. And as always, drink responsibly and rock well. Today we're making something fresh and full of flavor, the Mojito. The Mojito. Just let me... Named after a man called Sir Francis Drake. He visited Cuba. He visited Cuba and made a similar drink called Boom, and that's your Mojito Rockwell style. Boom, and that's your Boom, and that's your Mojito Rockwell style. Cheers. Oh, went quite well.